Now let's learn how to download songs in Spotify without Spotify Premium. In order to do this, all we need to do is heading over to Spotify right here on the application. So please have that downloaded already in your devices if you haven't already. And let's get started. So first of all, let's add onto the device, or rather to the application. So we are here already, and as you can see, we're going to have exactly the same layout as you. And in order to actually download songs in Spotify, it's pretty easy. Everyone can do it 100%. All we need to do is to select a song that you want to download. Let's say we want to download something from maybe Gabe Bondog, which I know is a very good artist. Let's search for Gabe. This is a guy I want to download the songs of. Let's say you want to download this specific song that has 17 million listens, so it doesn't really give you the option right away to download the song. Even if you look on the settings, it doesn't really give you the option to download this song over here, because what you actually need to do is to add this song into a specific playlist. So let's just click on Add to Playlist, and let's add this to over here on Gentlemen Don't. Okay, so we have already added this specific song into that specific playlist. Now what we need to do is to add a number to a specific playlist that you have on your Spotify account. So let's actually head on to Gentlemen Don't over here, which should be right there. Okay, so we've added the song, which is right here, and in order for you to download all you need to do is to click on this download button next to the Enhanced, next to the ADD Collaborator button right there. And once you actually click on that, it's going to start downloading on your device. Now, since I have already downloaded that song on my device, let's choose a specific playlist that I have been downloaded yet already. Let's say this one. So let's actually use this as an example. Click on Download, and now it's going to start downloading all of the songs from Spotify into our devices so that we may listen to it offline. Okay, guys, that is how you download songs in Spotify without Spotify Premium in 2022. Please comment on below had worked, and I'll see you in the next video again. This has been Held to a Web.